Okay, so the other two didn't have any circles. So, let's see if this one might work. Ooh, circles came out. Does this one work?
Yes!
Yeah, this cargo brought out some circles. This one works. We have all 3 circles. Let's bring them to Tink.
Here you are, Tink, 3 circles.
Oh boy, thanks you guys, I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. And thank you too. You really did know which worked, and which one didn't work.
I'll look into those later, and try to fix them up. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Come on, we still need to figure out what Patrick wants to build. We better find our last clue.
Then let's go.
Bye guys, thanks for your help.
La la la, la la la.
A clue!
Yeah, it really was nice to help out Tink.
No, a clue!
Oh, our last clue. And it's another chair. You know what we need, our Justin H. Handy dandy
Notebook!
notebook, right? Like the other one, we'll draw the same outline for the shape of the chair. There, a chair. And that was our last clue. We have all 3 clues. We're ready to sit in our Justin H.